This video will cover difficult Part 1 questions regarding the topic of geometric sequences and series. This is the first question. It is the November 2001 essay paper 2 method question. Number 1A, U1 equals 160, U2 equals 240, so number A, R equals U2 over U1, which is 240 over 160. The answer is 1.5. Number B, in 1990 is U1, 1991 is U2, 1992 is U3, so 2002 is U13. If you are confused about number of terms, 1991 minus 1990 equals 1, which is U2. 1992 minus 1990 equals 2, which is U3. Then 2002 minus 1990 equals 12. Can you see the pattern? Yes, just add 1. Number 1 is U2. 2 make U3 is 12. Then U13. Back to the original. Un equals U1 times r to the power of n minus 1. So U13 equals 160 times 1.5 to the power of 12 equals 20,759. Number C, Un is greater than 5,000, which is 160 times 1.5 to the power of n minus 1 is greater than 5,000. Then divide by 160 on each side. 1.5 to the power of n minus 1 is greater than 31.25. N is greater than 9.489, which is 10. That means 10th year. So, in 1990 plus 9 equals 1999. If we run the logarithm, we can rewrite as log of 1.5 to the power of n minus 1 is greater than log of 31.25. Then n minus 1 log of 1.5 is greater than log of 31.25. Then divide by log 1.5 on each side. N minus 1 is greater than log 31.25 over log 1.5. N minus 1 is greater than 8.489 something. Then n is greater than 9.489. So n equals 10. You can solve it this way. Then back to the original. Number D, Sn equals U1 times r to the power of n minus 1 over r minus 1. Then S13 equals 160 times 1.5 to the power of 13 minus 1 over 1.5 minus 1, which is 61,958. And number E, answer. This is the May 2002 essay paper 2 studies question. Number 2A1, option 2. The first term is 250, then 450, 650. Let this be T1, T2, T3. Then common difference D equals 200. Then use the formula Un equals U1 plus n minus 1D. Then T10 equals 250 plus n minus 1, which is 9, times 200. Answer is $2,050. Number 2. The first term is 10, then 20, 40 like this. Let this be U1, U2, U3. Then use UN equals U1 times r to the power of n minus 1. So U10 equals 10 times 2 to the power of 9, which is $5,120. Number B, Sn equals n over 2 times U1 plus Un. So S10 equals 10 over 2 times, first term is 250, then 10th term is 2050, equals 5 times 2300, which is $11,500. Number C, option 1 is 1000 times 10, which is $10,000. Then option 2 equals $11,500. Then option 3, we can use Sn equals U1 times r to the power of n minus 1 over r minus 1. S10 equals 10 times 2 to the power of 10 minus 1 over 2 minus 1, which is 10,230. So option 2 would be best. This is the last one. It is the May 2010 essay paper 2 studies question. Number A, option 1, the amount A equals P plus PRT. Then P is 25,000 plus $25,000 times interest 6%, which is 0.06 times 3 years, equals $25,000 plus 4,500 equals $29,500. Option 2, the value of compound interest investment after n times period is UN equals U0 times 1 plus I to the power of n. So amount A equals $25,000 times 1 plus 0.05 to the power of 3, which is $28,940.63. Option 3, A equals P times 1 plus I over T to the power of Tn. The amount is $25,000 times 1 plus 0.048 over 12 months to the power of 12 times 3. The final answer is $28,863.81. Number B, option 1 is the best investment option. Part B, number A, U1 equals 135 plus 7 equals 142. Number B, U2 equals 135 plus 7 times 2 equals 149. The common difference D equals U2 minus U1. which is 149 minus 142 equals 7. Number C, the formula Sn equals n over 2 times u1 plus n minus 1 times d. Then Sn equals n over 2 times 142 plus n minus 1 times 7. Then n over 2 times 284 plus 7n minus 7 equals n over 2 times 7n plus 277 equals the first one 7 over 2n squared plus the second one 277 over 2n. Number D, V1 equals 20, V4 equals 67.5, Vn equals V1 times r to the power of n minus 1, then V4 equals V1 times r to the power of 3, 67.5 equals 20 times r cubed, then r cubed equals 3.375. That means r equals 1.5. Number E, the formula Sn equals u1 times r to the power of n minus 1 over r minus 1. So T7 equals 20 times 1.5 to the power of 7 minus 1 over 1.5 minus 1. The final answer is 643. Number F, Tn is greater than Sn. Tn is 20 times 1.5 to the power of n minus 1 over 1.5 minus 1 is greater than Sn, which is 7 over 2n squared plus 277 over 2n. Use your calculator. N is greater than 9.074, so n equals 10. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, read them in a comment below, and I will address them in a future video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more.